Good afternoon. My name is Hae-Sun Kim, advisor to Gangnam Labor Law Firm. Today, we are going to invite Attorney Jung to talk about the English lecture on Korean labor law cases. So, Attorney Jung, could you explain about the content of the English lecture on labor law cases, please?
Sure. Hello, how are you today? This is Bong Soo Jung, Korean labor attorney. I'm very happy to introduce my lecture that is about labor law cases. I'm going to give a lecture, English lecture on Korean labor law cases. So this lecture, it has been repeatedly given to those HR managers or any people who are interested in labor issue or labor cases. So this lecture I'm going to start, it will start May 11th, and every Thursday evening from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. I'll give a 2-hour lecture every Thursday evening. So it will start the second week of May. Then I'll give these lectures 6 times to June 15th. So through these classes, I explain about many different labor cases based on different topics.
I see. So you have explained that you will give 6 occasions of lectures. So could you explain for each lecture the topic about each lecture briefly?
Yeah. So this lecture includes 6 the classes on Thursday evening. So first class I explain basic information about Korean labor law, how to understand how the law is like. Also, I like to introduce the Gangnam Labor Law Firm's website and mobile app, so you can be familiar with using our the information that they are all based on my published books. So first lecture I explain about the introduction of Korean labor law. Second lecture, I focus on dismissal cases. There are many different types of dismissals, like ordinary dismissal, managerial dismissal, or some disciplinary dismissal. So what are conditions? How judges decide when in their verdict or judgment at the judgment hearing? This is a third lecture and second lecture. Third lecture I explain about wages, how we understand about Korean labor, like wages in workplace. So what is ordinary wage? What is average wage? So also like whether the incentive included in wage or not. Also some inclusive wage system, minimum wage. These are some topics I'm going to explain. Then first week I explain about working hours, recess period, or holidays, or annual paid leave. Also how to use the working hours flexibly. Also those many working hour systems, like work from home or some selective working hours or acknowledged working hour system. These topics I'm going to deal with in 5th class. And 6th class I explain about the irregular employment, like what is their legal right, how to get like a discrimination correction system. So these topics are very important. Also last class I explained about Equal Employment Act. There are 30 types in Equal Employment Act, like female protection or female discrimination, also female workplace sexual harassment. These topics I'm going to explain. So through my lectures, I'll explain how how you can understand, also how labor law protect the workers based on very different labor cases. Yeah.
I see. Thank you very much for explaining about each lectures that you will provide. So now I understand that if many people can subscribe to this lesson, it will be very beneficial. So can you tell us about how you're going to promote this lecture?
Yeah. So please see our website. So how to register for this lecture? You can visit this our website, Gangnam Labor Law Firm. It's k-labor.com, so you can find. So left side you can find some lecture information. So details. So you can see some like each different classes of what we are providing. So also your registration information. So in order to apply for this lecture, you have to fill out this blank. So then based on this information, I'm going to send you Zoom address, also some related some presentation document. So if you are interested in attending this lecture, please come to this website and register for this class. Then I'll invite you. This in order to attend this class, you need to pay some tuition. That is it's about 220,000 Korean won. So then you can come and join.
I see. Thank you so much for your time to explain about the lecture that you will provide about the labor law cases.
Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, bye bye.